In today's video, I will walk you through how to transfer assets from Crypto.com exchange. To begin, make sure two-factor authentication has already been enabled on your Crypto.com exchange account, since it is required before you can transfer assets back to your Crypto.com app. Once that is ready, go to the Crypto.com exchange and look at the top right corner of the screen, click on Dashboard, then select Wallets to open your account balances. Inside your wallets, locate the asset you want to transfer. In this example, the asset is stored in the Spot wallet, but the process is the same for whichever cryptocurrency you want to move. Find that cryptocurrency in your wallet list and click on it to open more details. On the asset page, look to the right side where you will see a withdrawal button next to the cryptocurrency. Click Withdraw for the asset you want to transfer. A new window will appear with different withdrawal options. From the available choices, select Crypto.com app. After selecting the Crypto.com app option, confirm that the withdrawal destination is set correctly for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Below that, you will see your available balance. At this point, you can either type in the amount you want to transfer or simply choose Withdraw All if you want to move your entire balance. Once you have entered the amount, click Review Withdrawal. The exchange will display a summary of your withdrawal details for you to review. Carefully check that everything is correct before continuing. When you are ready, request your SMS verification code and enter it into the required field. After that, open your Authenticator app and enter your 6-digit two-factor authentication code. Once both verification codes have been entered correctly, submit the withdrawal to complete the transfer. After the transfer has been processed, you can confirm that it was successful by opening the Crypto.com app. Go to the Accounts section, then tap Crypto Wallet. Inside your crypto wallet, locate the same cryptocurrency you transferred from the exchange. You should now see that the transferred funds have arrived in your Crypto.com app wallet. If you transferred your full balance, the asset will no longer appear in your Crypto.com exchange wallet, and the balance will instead be available in your Crypto.com app. And that's all there is to it. Those are the steps to transfer your assets from the Crypto.com exchange back into your Crypto.com app quickly and successfully. Thank you for watching.